Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME 11 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the OTG connection on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Then let's scroll down again to find the OTG connection, and all we have to do to turn it on is to tap on the switcher. From now on, since this option is active, you've got two different ways to turn it off. You can always turn it off manually just by tapping on the switcher, or as you can see, we've got this information, you can simply wait. If it will be not in use for 10 minutes, then your device will automatically turn it off. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.